How to fix Verizon FIOS remote not working. First, replace the batteries and make sure they're installed correctly. Low batteries are the most common cause of FIOS remote issues. Second, repair the remote. For FIOS TV1, point the remote at the TV box, hold play/pause and O together. Wait for the blue light to flash and allow pairing to complete. Third, restart the FIOS TV box. Unplug the FIOS TV box, wait 30 seconds, plug it back in, and wait for the box to fully boot up, and then test the remote again. Fourth, older versus newer FIOS remotes. Verizon has several remote models. The pairing process may differ slightly depending on which one you have. Fifth, volume or power buttons not working. Go to Menu, Settings, Voice Control, FIOS TV Voice Remote, Program Voice Remote, and Automatic Setup. If that doesn't work, try Manual Setup and select your TV brand. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.